Alright. What are we doing?
This is on our way towards Kansas City, pretty much by Kansas City. Picking up a 2020 CRF 110.
How long of a drive do we got? You say 7 hours?
3.5 hours there, 3.5 hours back. 7 hours total. It's gonna be fun.
It'll be a good one. We obviously don't want to drive this far, but right now the market of
we don't care.
Let me tell you. Beautiful scenery of Iowa. This is about all you see left and right. Good game. Kansas City, Missouri. Missouri. Loser. Yeah. If you don't drive like us. If you don't drive like us,
you don't drive like me, you're a shit driver.
Yeah, pretty much. Look at this guy. Dented bumper.
Doesn't know how to pass a vehicle.
Look at this guy with a nice beard, bud. Nice bumper, dude. Oh, I don't think the camera can pick it up. That dented ass tailgate.
Oh, yeah, the dented tailgate.
WRX. Back up off of him, bro. Don't scratch up a WRX.
Thank you, Chief, and I'll reach with you in a moment.
In a moment. In a moment. In a moment. In a moment. In a moment.
One moment. This is many moments.
Can't keep recording all this bullshit.
Yeah, no fin shit.
Watch your mouth.
Sorry. I'm just hungry and hangry. Yesterday or the day before? No, I keep making the videos, man. Can I get a number 15 classic Sprite and curly white cheddar mac and cheese? What do you want? A Mediterranean chicken wrap combo with a high C.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go. I gotta piss.
Fuck the
food.
food.
Yeah.
We're just donating to Arby's.
Fuck food, let's just go. That Burger King is clapped.
Stickers peeling off.
Dipping in the old Arby's here getting food. Long day of trucking. Damn, ain't nobody in the kitchen. What'd she say?
Pull straight ahead, we'll run it right out.
Yeah, that's what they always say. You pulling them out the side of the doors. Where? Oh, that's pretty dope. You don't see that where we're from. Isn't that right? Yeah. Look, Range Rovers and airplanes, we're not used to that. He lives in one of the ones that they all look the same. Oh, it's right there. Oh, baby.
Well,
You gotta-
I'm gonna ask him if I can just rip it up and down.
Yeah, you got plenty of space to rip it. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pop that hell open. What's up, dude? Not too bad. Damn, this thing's clean. Oh shit.
Yeah, she's a little muddy, but like that picture showed, dude, the cases are all fine. It's got hardly any hours on it.
Yeah, it's he's got a 2020 TTR that he's been riding. His casing on the side already ripped off.
My brother, or not my brother, my buddy had a TTR too, and his case did the exact same thing.
Dude, these things are untouched.
Yeah.
These bars are a little different than mine.
Yeah, they are a little bit lower than the other high bars I've had, but they really grew on me, and I kind of liked them. Just with, they seemed a little bit wider.
Yeah, they are. They're pretty wide.
Both keys are there. Turn your gas on again. That's the FMF. I love the FMF.
want to ride it too much, but can I take it just like...
Absolutely.
Nice.
2450.
I don't know if you're gonna like how loud it is though. It sounds good, but
The neighbors ain't gonna like it.
yeah, the neighbors aren't gonna like that. This thing's like, yeah, crispy clean. I don't even know if I want to ride it. It's fucking cold.
Back in Oski in Iowa. And then we got like that.
Ooh.
Sweet. No, I won't keep you guys too long.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Yeah, let's get this fucking thing in here.
Just toss that on the floor in the back.
These things are literally like untouched.
I shot it like 3 times, and he shot it and killed it on the ground and claimed it as his. And I'm like,
Is he your little brother?
no, older brother.
Oh. Fucking douche.
Year and a half older. Yeah, you want to grab the straps
Yep.
on the floor? 3 or 4 more years, it would have been $50. So I was like, kind of butthurt. Guys were on the back of the other truck. And fucking, they were all frozen and shit. But yeah, the nicest bike I've had. I had a 2015 TTR, and I just sold that like right before I messaged you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is clean.
Hey, y'all. We think about it back.
Oh, found this code in, I don't know.
No, I don't know.
Yeah. I didn't put too much pressure on the shocks.
Strapped up,
Felt pretty good still too.
gas shut off. He said, I don't really know. Doesn't matter.
Those are those carbureted still?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Fucking. I thought they all were. Plaza. Travel Plaza. Oh. Just on a nice foggy cruise here.
Nice foggy cruise.
Picked up the bike and all of a sudden we see some flashes in the night.
He's got no tail lights.
Let's see if he flashes them for us. See, it looks like he does because of our reflections and light. Man, they're going slow. Let's see what they're watching.
They're going so low.
Let's see what they're watching. They're like, what the fuck? Oh, it's blurry as shit.